This is the first episode of Sector Friday with Aptech Agodi. My name is Olarotimi, and with me here is
I'm Abraham Iborida.
So someone said you don't need to learn software engineering again, that AI is actually going to replace software engineers and you need to stop learning how to code. Let me show you the video.
This is your daily reminder that AI has replaced software engineers. Do not study computer science, do not program, do not become a software engineer. With a click of a button, I can create Twitter, I can create Instagram, I can replicate any big company I want to without having to do any thinking.
So yeah, I actually came across the video online and I just thought of it, let me bring it in so that we can have a discussion. It's actually a popular matter going on around there that AI will replace software engineers. So what do you feel? What's your own perspective to this?
Well, I think in as much as AI is everywhere, I don't necessarily fully agree to that. AI is here. Yes, you agree with that. But however, AI cannot totally replace the software engineers, and then it cannot stop people from writing code.
Do you feel people would lose their job because of the advent of AI? Because AI is everywhere. What do you feel? People are actually losing their job because of this AI thing.
Well, so this is my own opinion about it. The fact that AI is everywhere doesn't mean that people would or won't lose their job. However, this is the strategy I would usually tell people that there are three kinds of developers. There are those that are vibe coders, there are those that just blindly write AI prompts, and then there are those that are AI assisted developers. So vibe coders are those that just go, enter prompts and then they get, and then there are those that just enters, they get results. That's the vibe coders. They get results from what they are doing. However, there are those that are non-coders, but they know how to prompt AI and then they get their own results. Now, the other category is the AI assisted developers. These guys are the guys that uses AI as amplifier to their work. Yes, it helps them amplify what they are doing. It helps them deliver faster. It helps them, be more efficient and more productive. Because I don't think AI is going to replace anybody's job except for those who are not willing to learn how to add AI to their day-to-day systems.
Yeah, I would like to capitalize on that last statement that you added, that AI is going to replace those developers that are not willing to integrate AI into whatever, because it's actually the truth about any field you find yourself. There are always new technologies, and immediately there is a new invention. Certainly some set of people are going to set off whatever they are doing. Let's take, for example, in previous time, before we have motor vehicles, certainly you need riders, you need horse riders, and immediately they invented the motor cars. Those horse riders are kind of set aside so that they are going to give way to the new invention. It's everywhere. It's not only in software engineering. There are technologies that are spawning up in every field and in every walks of life. And one thing is just that AI is, we really need to change how we look at AI. AI is, it's best to look at AI as a tool itself. Yeah, as a tool. Let's say, for example, in accounting now, before developers or before software engineers that they claim AI is going to replace now, before they developed some accounting tools, we have accountants. But even after they developed this accounting software, did that push the accountant aside? No. You just have to integrate this system into whatever they are doing. There's always a background concept or a background thought behind every field. That background thought will still remain in place, whether you are bringing in a new technology or not. What that technology is just going to do is that it's going to help you facilitate whatever you want to do. It's just like you want to grind pepper now. Obviously, the blender is not going to replace whoever is cooking. It's just going to help that person that is cooking. So I would just like to advise people that we need to change how we look at AI sincerely. AI is a tool. It's not like a total replacement. AI is a tool. There is a whole bigger paradigm to what software engineering is. It is way, way bigger than just writing code. There are still some things that would require the human effort. Certainly, AI would replace some people that are not up to the task, but software engineering itself is way bigger than just writing code. You have to talk about the architecture, how you integrate to some other system and all. And will AI do that job perfectly there? I doubt. What do you feel? What will you tell people, or what will you advise people?
So I think it boils down to just these three things. I saw a quote on a wall frame. It says that AI is going to replace the people, the engineers who cannot unlearn, relearn, and learn again. Those are the people that AI is going to replace. And I think it just boils down to you opening your heart to learning new technologies, how to use AI as an amplifier to the world. So thank you very much. Yes, this is just today.
So you are not
I think my own opinion is that AI is not going to replace anybody. It's just going to amplify people's work. It's going to help us to see those who are good and those who are not.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. That's nice.
Yeah.
So there's something for sure. AI is not replacing you, yeah?
No.
All right, then. All right.
It's just
all
going
right,
to make
all
you
right.
more productive.
All right, cool. So our viewers at home would actually like to hear your perspective as regards this popular topic: will AI replace software engineers? Do you feel AI is going to replace you, or you have a need to learn software engineering again? This is the first episode of Tech Talk Friday with Aptech Agodi. My name is Olarotimi, and with me here is
I'm Abraham Iborida.
So don't miss the next episode. See you next Friday. Drop your remarks in the comment section.